Oh, everywhere too black. Oh, now they see what they do. What will I do now? I'm putting on black. Hey, yara, leo ikebe. Yahoo! Ikebe. Oh, give me low. Wait to have how? See the Eba. Aqua, what? Oh God. At the Facebook. Hello? At the Facebook. Yeah. Yeah. What? Are you for real? Okay, later. Yay. Okay, bye. Hey! EJ, come easy. Eh? Chegin kebe. Yeah. Hello, my people, my Monica people, how you are doing? Let's play the music one more time before I come for the message, yeah? Ikebe Zuzu, do you have Ikebe? If you know you have Ikebe Zuzu, Yana, come on, let's Zuzu. You were ready, Boba. Mami emi de wazare wa. Ah, wete ku ikebe mapo wa. Oh yeah. Come and check it. Oh, Chico, okay. Please, can you comment on this thing so I can block her? Okay. Gone. You're not they see me well. Hello, my people. Ikebe zoom zoom zoom. Ikebe zugudu zugudu zugudu. Ikebe zoom zoom zoom. Yo, amazing. Here, salobwale. Ikebe riakwa. Yes, Erikebe kwawa. Abiyago bena itigbagbete. Many understand. Ikebe zuzuzu zuzuzu zu. Eje ikebe balowekun. Wano ikebe wa je massage. Ikebe hedo abaluwekun. Oh come ikebe here ni hibabana. Jesus. Ikebe no wegbe. Today na today. I dey come on my people. Me I feel relax. You see ikebe no pade dina ne. E ma na we ikebe ma pade de kin lo. Ekun mu mi. O come. Awin. Ojoko di ajoko. Ojoko. Ayoko yoko. Oyoko. Get the book back. Papa, the phone. Well, when I make bear. I bear. I'm making sure. If you not be read, not be read. Okay, now me I throw away those. May I use this small one. Okay, my people, next stage. Mona, don't forget today, 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. Monica is invited to Niger Wash live direct streaming. I don't know what you want to do for them. Maybe they want to go ask Orishi question. We want to go talk about matter. I think so. You understand? Mona, don't forget to. I'm inviting all my lovers. Okay, let's go there. Come on, let your views count. Okay, Mo play one. Join this Ikebe zuzuzu. Ikebe zuen. Ikebe wele. Your work beg Ikebe na.
Spice Vision Music. Good boy production. I'm gonna go and kill a little man. I'm gonna go and kill a little man. Oh no, na pompe. You wanna give you waka. Oh no, na pompe. Wanna give you waka. You no saya women. You want long you no saya women. You wanna pompe. Onagi waka, onagi watwe. The money too long, do. Ona bumbe wa madoye, ona bumbe usaya wile. Second,
what's up?
Susana mami pele bomi egenana radio no ya mami akono goma ki ole la ma akono goma ki ole la ono na bombe iwo na ibi waka ono na bombe ona ibi waka iwo no saya wi me iwo lo ibe o iwo no saya wi me iwo na bombe ona ibi waka ona ibi waka the money too long do ona bombe wa madoye ona bombe saya wi me
Area wa no, even though say ya Monica Gumbe.
Egena ya yo jara ma mi pele money wo. Iwe gena ya susama gele me no mu ya ko ma. New money and old money, all that money.
Yes so. Kile money. Ikebe money, eke money. All the money o. Wagele ya yona gele ya mane egena na susena mara mi pele mumi egena na gari no jara wa mane akono goma ki ole la ma akono goma ki ole la ma ono na bombe iwo na ibi waka ono na bombe ona ibi waka
saya women, iwo longi pero. Iwo no saya women, iwo na bumbe. Onagi waka, onagi wante. Imoni too long do. Ona bumbe mama doge. Ona bumbe saya women.
It's good boy production.
Good boy production. Hello, my people. My wonderful, amazing Monica. Lobo people. It's too high. And give what they get. Yeah, it's good like this. This one is okay. Really high safe. And they like them too high. Hello, my people. How you are doing? Happy weekend. Compliment of the season. Now God go bless all of you for being here for me once again this evening. God go bless you, man. My general, my one and only Dare. Alpha, General Director Lawyer, you there here? High five. You too correct. Hello, my people. Good evening. I greet all of you now. My Monica Lobo people. No wonder say why Monica na the money son. Oh, you want to cook more and you son. Why Monica can't just put big cloth for Nyash like this? Can't they dance like this for our side now? Wait see happen. I hope it be never quick people they talk when they dance. Because I no read comment. That one will no feel bit. So you look like yeah, ask you Nana. The time where they dance, anybody be done they rough him out. Hello, Lady Esther. Good evening, ma. Damn it. Those set of people cannot stop. Hello, that's my mommy Lolo. Wow, the original Lolo, the real one Lolo. We got back and forth. Anybody will go jealousy this my Lolo, that person go wash your mouth. That person go work hard because ones on my day. Not be to they get long mouth. Now be problem for this life. You get long mouth finish. You not brush the teeth where they say long mouth. Go they wear zuzuzuzu. From there, you can't use until they talk to people where pass. No, say this social media. Everybody feel they be a name. But some name carry weight. Just be like me now, Monica. I be presenter. Many people also they carry the name presenter. And they go say the gallant. They're not gallant no shit. Now gala, they are not gallant. They are gala. Okay, but you see this my Lolo. Number one, not be small pikin where person go take do like your husband tissue paper, and not be Lolo where they carry all those Lolo where they carry dollar. They go spray for party, but inside house that they say me their husband need that. Not be that type of correct woman abroad. You understand? Maximum respect to you, man. Maximum respect. Not be say some people because people wait there with them for social media. Now useless set of people. Like what are they here today? Never want to go there. You understand? People where they support them, people where they follow them, people where they get as people, they are all useless. That's why thank you so much, ma'am. That's why they go see people for social media. They love person like me. They'll go use themselves. You know, say this social media, see finish day well. See finish day. If you want to look the see finish way this social media, you not go enjoy social media. See finish this social media. People will not reach to be your ass girl. People will not even reach to be your friend. People will not reach where you know that kind of neighbor where they hear say, "I will this neighbor newly come this street." You go just call your children if I see you there. You know say that they see. But this social media go come there, they fear it. If the moment they can show television, Many of them na one place since 5 years, 3 years, 2 years where they take their live video na one place. That one place like that. Now we know for the house. We don't know room where their children they sleep. We don't know room where they sleep. We know they see the up, we know they see the down. I have me a passage many day. So if you just pull body for one corner, then now that corner. So if the feet come out for front of their television, it's over. Now they are front of television. Now they go repair. Now they go they sweep. Now they go they clean. Now they go they make sure so anything we remove they'll go put on back because they want know why. Oh, but me want know how me love it. You understand? So person we get those type of people as followers. Now so they also think. Hello, my lady. My lady Manga. I don't come out the extra KB. I don't come out, sir. So that kind of person, now so he go just if he say people where they follow you, now so they still war like people where they follow. That's why some people for social media, if they see say you they comment, you go say all those low life where they comment. People where they use Facebook, they do depression because the person, the people where they follow, the people where they comment for her, the people where be mama, the people where be papa, now low life people, useless people, now social media be their life. You understand? Like me, so that's why they respect other people, followers and lovers because I know say me I really get real people. I really know say social media they change person life, yes, because it changed my own. You understand? But you see people who don't do social media, man or mafia boy, the only time where you go take dress sexy, na man, you go use and take attract. You not go know say this social media you can dress sexy on your own to please your followers. So no. So my mommy Lolo, all this talk now for you, my correct Lolo. Lolo no design, Lolo no ma o wa will tell we boy. Lolo ni buya o wa. Or see. If not be you, mommy abies Lolo. All the rest Lolo take me ya phone cause yan nyek binyawa. Ne weke €50 or mother di gwe or 3 senya do. Or no what ye boyfriend di o wa my dafeme my igwe. Ya nate wa ye Lolo ya kulo ya o wa. A television ya na o babe baba wa mi ya boto. Where say Lolo abies no do dole Lolo ni keji. O bebe Lolo we no be bebe lole me. Hello my darling Vera TV. I dey come for you too. I dey come. Eh? Another Lolo day. Oh, I don't forget that one. Na Igbo woman. Now God go bless you that Lolo too. Better Lolo. We no better thing. Not be all this agbeku ye with Lolo. Awe money o wa ni tebone no seya. E moneti ni eti divorce. Ni a divorce ni ya muebu ere. Mue. All those type of Lolo where they insult people wey pass them. God forbid. Say man divorce them. And you can't go marry them. They now feel leave who the divorce. If you don't know me, you know. They'll still they give and toto. Give me, do me. That's why even if the divorced woman, they cannot leave the woman. Kebe nezuzuzu, kebezu. But many people be say when you don't drive woman, not looking nyash again. But this social media, they go drive you, they'll still they look at your nyash, they turn, I mean, I sabi turn away. They look me where. Now they look, the more they look, the less that they see. Now maybe that's okay. My people, the reason why I put extra plenty cloth for nyash, make my nyash they make zuzuzu. Okay. Now because some of us we did this social media, we look people jump in. We go come they do things wrong. Although I see as when you try to talk to them and correct them, this thing is not nice, especially when it gets a lot to do with image of Edo State, image of Benin. They will say, we are going to go one room, bed yanje, pali yanje, bedroom yanje, even yanian yanje. Why be menore? You understand? Menore up and down. So how about me now? Okay now. So my people, because of Benin image, Benin culture, where many of us don't spoil am. Me, I know they comot myself. I dey among the okagbodo. You know, when they do all those type of things, that's why my own was very moderate. My own are like what I do just now. I'll come out, I'll check my own yash for inside my own house, for inside my husband's house. Nobody they touch am. Nobody don't ever see my skin for this social media. But yet they say married woman not they dance, not they check nyash na abomination. Hey. But today we they see them they dance naked, not a problem. Okay? Then until we see somebody when no know music where we they use when you want to do something like that. It can't go use wrong music. It can't be like say they represent all of us in that manner. Okay? Monica not the insult. Otherwise, I for they use insultive words. I'll say on that way, we Benin people they call her ekita or yakota. You know, when woman naked, they dance quickly for ekia we go yeah or yakota. But I won't use that word. You understand? Because I'm not here for fight. And on social media I can never fight. Leader not the fight. When children fight, now leader they go come settle them. Leader cannot fight. Why would leader fight? Am I crazy? Share where Baba God give me. I want make come give am to another person. And leader must always stand for the truth. And leader must be ready. Sometimes you say the truth, the people will not take it. They will come back. Because of that, don't lower your standard. So my lovely Monica people, please, as soon as they see me so, I'm not ready to lessen my standards of truth for any of them. Truth we know is bitter. Okay? Then truth is frustrating and miserable to the ear of bad children. Children where they no cocoa where they no born where ni owa wo devil wa. When you advise them, they don't know the difference of advice and fights. As you see me so, Monica, the time when me they fight, una no na. Arabia marry egba you do get Monica roe. Monica o ma no gbe na we social media o ma ke ya jebreza. Salobo kon dudu. But he gbe na cause he is a aru when I do we are learn. And I do the constantly they promote me. Today I'm a leader. Everybody agree, even the haters said they agree. Because if haters are not agree, there is no way somebody like me for the past a month plus now, I not click on some people who want go look. I already know it's nonsense. They are going to be saying nonsense for a very long time. No. Not to talk, I can't carry my hand, my leg, I'll go comment either by fake account or by real account. What you say, Bonnie? So, but by leader, you will see them doing it. A lot of you who come to my work today to be crying rubbish, stop it. Don't come to my work and be. Can I pick your call? You are not calling, no. Call now. For where you they call? My phone is here, right here. You didn't call, but what do you want to say? Am I swearing when he am like it, you know? You know, say our people don't like her. You understand? Okay? Pick up. You not call it there. Okay. You understand? So, when una not they come my work when they comment all those type of rubbish things. Thank God for the change, because you are elite. Thank you, mommy. Thank you. I so much appreciate all of you. You are part of my change. That's why I will forever be grateful to you guys, to those who are Monica lovers. I'm forever grateful for bringing this change. They say na road that they meet person papa, that they meet person mama, then that they meet person friend, then that they meet person where go the one where your papa and mama do remain. If you meet good people, they go come straight in now na be to me all of una. Those will be Benio, those will be Robo, Igbo, everybody. Now what una do to me be that? Una see me, the one where my papa and mama teach me where I still know small before I come here. When I come, I enter social media, gbogbo as body tell they pepper me, now so I tell they give them. Back. Many of una call me be me. Not be as body tell they scratch person, now it tell they scratch them. Not they scratch body like that again. Leave them. Many of una make me to see this great quality in me. I know I have it, but I will just play with it. But a lot of you keep calling me and telling me you really don't know who you are. Until today, I still don't know, because I'm not the type that really want to know everything and begin to do gang. No. I like to play. I play a lot. Without play, I'm not a Monica. You like it. You understand? I like picking play way, because I believe say with picking play you learn more and you go day free, and a lot of things not go day your heart. That's why if I tell them if I enter bed or here, because you are cool when I will york and you know you mention now york and they carry things. I don't want them. You understand me? They know like it. So you that one wanna stop. Not us if you not come my work, come comment and Monica not go see. I not go see. If you still comment, I know they say I'll delete you and block you. But don't do it. Sometimes I say they irritate me. Say who you just hate somebody so tell you if you know the shame. Sometimes they go even attack who say, Mommy Monica, I love you so much. They'll go attack the person. You don't know your mama. Who tell you say you don't know your mama? You don't know. So that send me wrong and me jama. When no so they say Facebook now. On a do me jeve Monica. And so Bogido Weba. Oh that send me wrong and me jama. Bebe yan la soin. Oh dem bebe send me me ami jimeni bouve social media na. Iyan no rima mon nime. Sunday we be say they fit get pepper body. They'll come advise me, no get pepper body again, my daughter. Sinya. When to notice I live, no notice I the fear no Bobby one before. Eti me buwadi no wa. I buwa uda bia o makosa ni mi owu o makosa yera wo makosa ni mi wa me buwe. Huh? But now this papa and mama where I see for road. Now they come talk to me. Say me I live now. Me I not the verse. Me I not the beat now. Who not say tell me before? I go native doctor where they tell me. Now all these people so. So if you get person where you take do papa and mama for inside your followers and yet you still they misbehave. Okpa wa ya hin okpa go we bu hin wa o wa o see. So wa ge gbove Monica be man le hin. Wow. Okay. Hello, Mommy Rosie. Merry Esther to you. Yes, someone have patronized my mommy, Pretty Rosie ID. This one way I just see pray so now. They'll just still go their place. Hey, Pretty Rosie ID, take your time. You are the next. We will deal with you. No, not to say that the day back of all these commenters. Wawe, ave social media here. The least you can become in this life is when public social media become your hustling feed for a shower. For me, those people are dirty. You can become escort, do it inside your house. You'll still be say your desperation never too much. You understand? But by the time your desperation become public sex toy on public social media, and when they will even they talk to now, they jealousy me. May God Almighty, God, don't let me jealousy escort ashawo. Don't let me jealousy escort ashawo where they do ashawo till they live in life. I reject it. Not to talk of public nonsense kokobiri ashawo den. Aba ashawo na ora mi eke 100. When you open your inbox, all of them carry their penny, they do like this, take a picture, they send to you. God forbid that I jealous such. So for you to see any presenter where they open mouth, they talk say Monica they jealous such people, you will know say a categories in anything. In they look up to that one way. Oh girl, they look up to you. That's why, because that's the way you know say on our one okay always one enemy. Now I know they even compare. Now I know they see say why this one go they jealous this one. No, nah, ma possible. Don't worry. One back can they go in me wane o back can they walk back can me wane omoni magba talone omoni magbawu omoni awe o imwe ba yere la go mezumejo. We are telling me bove man have mini. Don't do. To God be the glory. You understand? So please, number one, now they comment on a frustration, miserable comment on my wall. You can't call me to where my mommies have elevated me from. It costs them a lot. Me, I not be person we no know what the person do for her. It costs people a lot of money. It costs them time, which is also money. It costs them a lot to elevate me, separate me, take me away from una. You just say that my mama we don't die, na I can't do happy, na my papa we don't die. Or you just say me get any mama we me want say, EJ, anything where you like, they waka for me. I don't care. Oh. Anything where you like, they waka. I don't get to. Now social media people now waka for me. All over the world, they pray for me. Differentiate me from una. Separate me from una. They make sure say they pray so te Monica must know I say not do any baby. They do any baby. Okay. Then for the music we I played just now, I beg all these people so that it no can't be like say, oh, are you the owner of Facebook? No, I felt even talking yesterday for the Facebook. I'm not the owner of Facebook. Okay, but I have 100% right to see a dope person. You speaking my Edo, using Edo music to do rubbish. I have rights, and I'm acting on my rights. I not be those where they pass their boundary. No, I dey on my boundary. I don't even care about the naked body. It's not my body. Now only this one don't the naked body will be beneath person. Another beneath person fed the naked body. Now why me make one your the naked body not concern me. Hello. Cause you both are we live video. But I refer to nobody. Whenever the ma who am I swinging my honey and swinging mama Johnny and Kayan Cosalobo.
Okay. My people, now good evening.
Okpake kan ni. On your packet can we wa the WhatsApp. On your pa we wa data. Oh, wa be gwine for wo ka wa ona. De we gwine for wo ka ri unu we ye me. Etas or we ri unu we ye me. Aproko or we start to the touch Monica property when you want learn. It say I we gwine for wo ka go wa go. Because of my swimming here. Okay? Egbine fo boka. Ota o ma swimming me yo. You understand, sir? Eh? It can't be. Maybe the woman want talk. He want talk. No, not my person. The woman not my person. I'm not sure. I'm not sure say if you want talk bad. Hello, my lady. Eh?
When I swing, I can't take when I swing, you never walk out.
Okay, go on. He may yage WhatsApp we wo me we here. O say na call back. Ite we to ado we me. Oh yeah, now yeah, sorry. Ite we said yan okere. Oh man, I get later. Oh man. When I see the drama, we are doing great. We are doing fine. Thank you so much. Okay. So, why? Okay. Okay. So, why I play Ikebezu music just now, all this type of music, na Benin music, oh, but if you dey use them, nobody go ask you, why? You understand? So, all this type of Ikebezu, already no zuzu ne, or Ikebe no bowa, Ikebe no fiowa, Ikebe no bade da mwa wolo. Many one like that. Okay? If maybe person get Ikebe, yeah, use it. That one and that one. Then another one again. Nah. Social media. This one now they will constantly say, Monica, leave them. Monica, why you talk about my matter? No, all this one are shame and disgrace. Say two social media people they curse each other. You the grace, you the man, you don't know your mate, karate. They can't see each other for grants. They can't start to the fight. They no stage. You see, Yoruba people don't still win us for that one. Yoruba, when they want fight, they don't fight for inside boss. So they stage. Baba ne baba. Oge do almost to look at him no man. They need Jesus. He made me no see all him man. Oh, yek me wek me. What yek me wek me. What yek me wek me. Why? When Yoruba people, when una want copy so, when they want fight, now yeah we all do. They go do live video. The other one, Bam go say, come and meet me by Stratford. They go say, I am coming to Stratford. If you have two heads, or you can't there. The other one say, I have one head. I will be there. They go to stadium. They can't go fight that fight. Our Benio. Na inside boss. Who do us like this? Which kind of character we get? Una not plan fights. Una start to go the fights. Only God know that fight go be like. Okay. No big base, not a problem. But all this bad character, una they do one for Benin neck. Emma. I wish that boss won a day. Other tribe they will know how to record to post them for social media. They'll say, see two Benin women fighting. See two Benin women fighting. They say, they'll say, what are they fighting for? They'll say, they are fighting because of Facebook. Wa Mario Degbe, wa friend Degbe, wa Mayen Gbede. Una no insure una belong to one group. You see, Baba group for this social media more than they suffering, They belong to one group. At the end of the day, the people where this one they work for, and this one they work for, they don't feel called them to say, stop. It's very bad. It's not good. Many of una we also they talk say Monica not talk for their matter. I know they talk for their matter, but the one we not good this side for Benin name I go talk put. Because if I not talk put, you never see now say they are all hypocrite, they are all devil sent from the pit of hell. You know see say all of them they borrow money from each other. You know see say that they feed each other, fear not they let them talk to each other. Imana taiban eri ogujin etai ori mo pa yan ke mo pa ora gbeliyan when ya gbelori me mi no me arun pa ne bo yakoko gbo we gbese. You understand? Dan everybody no gbarun pa, everybody wa gbarun pa from January to December. Omo ma women, igo ma women, emi ro pa ma women attack ya ni yan kwe viore ahead. So now they be the loser and I need strong pass. Only me one against all of them. You said they give her the music to promote. That's why Don Smart give her music to promote because Don Smart all with where Ebony agele wo ven Don Smart me mi obo ya gele nowhere. Ebony a wo tie Don Smart when be Ebony be ne ya gbo e. Woman e walk where do man e walk on ro wo dan Ebony ege gbo e. Ure we wo no ro wo do. Ebony ogbo di no wa ogbo e ogbo wo kan wo gbiwo ogbukuru we ogbe iwe fo. Walk nya va walk wo no ro wo do nu walk nya gbo. Eriwa ya vebo ni uwe baba ige walk wo no ro wo do eta we iga wo na gebe wa vebo tan but na gbelu wa. Honestly, o hewe mu won ba o mari mi platform ove no ma ya promoting won ba din yon gele mu gie o. Una imu won ba una mu gie kita because o honoro wodo o hia musician no wo honoro wodo. Ana mi ego me wo honoro wodo. Uma na wo honoro wodo the UK. Uma na wo honoro wodo Austria. Ana mi o me wo honoro wodo the France. Hey! Ebony red boy. But e kia we ga la honoro wodo. E kia we na e de kan honoro wodo. Una eri obo kan honoro wodo. A we akwen la ko honoro wodo. We wa e honoro wodo but una ya tie. Ebony ogbegbe ki o wa we. O finish we that one we. U we de gbe mi o gogo. U ga nwame. U mi o gogo. Avo jouer iwe na ga muye yan ga vebo wa mi wa no ma vebo wa we ma ta no yan we o wa we ma ya jebe na wa no wo no vebo ge gbegbe ni mama we no wa we mi urule wa ya vebo we ma wa ko no rogodo we me to so ko no rogodo we me gwo ko no rogodo dweki na ma gba u wori ya iba bo gbo ya. What two we idiot. Nu don't want nu da munare gen o wage erutu. Erutu na ya we kan. We me erutu o wa. Erutu na mama no move for a very long time. Erutu na fuck ifo. I palera na we erutu no ho no gugwe we palera mo tenega we. Iba bo bu. Awu wa ni mo ho ni kulo ane. Where do I go magun? Umeme when the root to re boy no we mere. Ni me kale ma no we rutu. E rutu matama e na ya gbe mu fua e wo gwerame. Because of the friend of boy or friend of yerame. Oh na the ya if friend of my be doing ma. When no mo ko nekita yo wa. O no mu jo wo no pe bie na. Na ru de rutu na ya ave bonebo gbu wa be rutu. Wa gwo. Erutu no mami okpia no mo for a very long time. When erutu emi no see no mana mi okpia. Na na mi egu wo ipada. Ipada. Wa gbe o. E family erutu ya. Obiyan agbawe because yan ma kue. Because yan o manuhin. Uwe ya no la lo mo erutu wa ya mo je erutu we ma o. Erutu na ya we kankan. Erutu we kankan bi do ma. Afia bago. war. Egba mwe don smart. U go aba gitaba. U warrior. U fiya wo. Egba mwe. Okwonu we mujo we weta ya we kankan we doing ma. Wale na ya we kankan ye. Ona we for bi palo. No ke rie la wogwa. The same house. Ona no ri yoko we ma be do mwe rutu. Anyo erutu na fia be kankan. Erutu no mu yo wawa wo kan we ni afia ye kankan asole wolo wole pa ye ba ni re ni ye mo arie ba ti school na school zebu no rodo ni. Aya zolo erutu na ga obugwe school. Ikwo na muri ya ne bo wanya kele we bo ya be la we bo we ma onu ekokobiri no ne rutu ye le loke do su obo. Wa gion ega no na je yuke do no ya do bieke no warrior umana wo kwere de da o we ga me yeke we ga ma uwe wo kwere no ro gwodo ne o kwere okin agbeyu eri o ma be weru tu yu ohun wa gogba din yen kwe werutu no ma ban shawo no ya la webu erutu no ma ban shawo wa gbe o Demi no see ne family route na we iye kwenu lele rutu wa warrior wa ise social media wa do awo gave ni oni sun wa ye potopoto ugbe o a. Take your time e don smart no wa no ma smart ne zuo wa na mo pe ni ne gbuwa eni ni wa ti follow up we smart we na mo don smart ne gbuwe o to we door Udo when I move, e don smart na move. E ga na je France, o ma le ni ya move we. Ikwe all we ba je France. No man, person go say na woman na made they carry like that chuchu. But when man too useless, when man too useless, women go they fuck and throw away. They create. You know how many people fuck you throw away for France? You where woman just see for inside motor, see me, see you start to the kiss and do that one not be rape you. When no war, when no be na mumu e kia. When they kia no buy social media. Warrior. When they be available, no born me can na de ho you obo you owe ku weke erutu. Erutu na saye kankan. Aye erutu ya mi se kankan. Ema iwu agbon na do yo uwe rutu aya ende agwa libi beleka no mairere this in Africa. All those boys we don't reach 17 years, they don't see who give them to do. They'll walk your roots. They'll walk your root given. Uwe root aya test aya le no fia kun no ma fia kun sa we do fia kun we kene rutu je wa fia kun se me rutu no go pe afia kun we ruti bo wi ma be gani me ya luvun kun ma re yes rutu risu ko ni ma lovun uvun ku re because we root ima ya dey interesting to go and look through. You know why? No man, you got to do women. Men go they do like this, they do roots now they do men. He go dead down, he go just they do ipa. And then if you say you be we yan. O pe akan no ma very na o root o kan no ma very na. O kaniya root no mujo wa. Root na zapa kan root o man gbon ni. O kana. A guy's name is Nana right from Africa na he follow root come. At time we doing my way root na cyber kan. Root na ya we kan. Afia I friend the root of back can walk ba no yo bia no do mwe root no mu nyawo e ben root iki are we bo mi no mo a e mo no vio he unu bia bio na we mi no stay me do mo ko ne anybody man need nobody no need the oya swobo no when it don't me no women no need the way for my present, now pressure make they talk to you that day. You can't reach live video, you can't they talk and they why you not talk the truth? For my present, then they do all those audio call for you. What you happen for that place? we no be no work out. A single mother ni ma ye me care for a long time. Ye be walk your way out. Get out of here. You come here, come and be talking to me. Are you stupid? Are you mad? Are you idiot? Do I look like Sabina Lolo for straw? Where you two of una put together, una go the life for Ayoko say una not they do each other. You they crazy, you they mad, they no go. Not be we all gotta go France. Una they crazy, una they mad. We are not go France. Ayoko from hotel where they give everybody and I me will walk ba Sabino yare a local job because you ma own home but sharamuta women sharamumu asharamu papa parupa ogugwa mu wana am prove lele ogo me accusation no I prove it because of no ma emi wo to de eti owe rubbish idiot ni mama ogugwa mugwa agbabe life light me go pera pa life light dem me go pera ile moto no mama na river agbon rubbish we agiyan list kini ya petu no do areva dem no get shift list ko ho do areva wala dem we tasi a shower kobo coronavirus no when wu wa doyo very wu wa ton we see party as a party wu wa ton wu wa ton yan yi mo de kankan wo wa o de kankan e fi mi gboa yan se party yan make appointment yo do go wetin go make man quand they tell person your wife say my lady wetin go make wife husband quand they tell your wife say somebody do you if some kind thing no fair dey wey the man don see and wey you know rubbish. Rent your hotel for me. 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 The dates where they take the rent hotel, no party day that city that day. Ojeki Agbeluwa. Listing go just move. We go come there when they come down for taxi. The TC person don't get eye. Awo Jekia. The coronavirus now happy there for now many men where get eye when not the see road. All those men when they use glass. Now coronavirus na happy therefore now when we wa relax cause ni buniro okte wegbe e don smart ya back yan bo de. So far no mi go ya instrument na agbonfo. Wa instrument na agbonfo. E route no kulo yo to ne po Maria. Ne route yi ya mi boyfriend is seven we bo ne ya lefe. Omo popa yan re ni yan ye. It don't smart him. I'm a married man where the family no want me you come marry. You want use by force go marry Ruth. As Ruth still be kind Ruth in a fianye kind rich. Yet a family in a magwalo. Ruth wa day ana mi go o mani magbai sage mana go we Africa da me o we bi palera me mo to buwa. Wa zua wa warrior umeme umegi yen weso wa beti webe nsha beti magwan ever since wani on wa on wa we rubbish. Who are you mad? Are you stupid? Are you idiots? Umeme a small body na cause come and come to say my own father palo they don't you my papa has they don't they change you for our house. Come to say ama we primary school ya gwale niere ni ya towe ama we primary school na no re ogwe between ogwe gebu zebu come talk say not be there be your joint not be there for this virgin you root na saye kankan awa we phone o ya do e rubbish o matter me we stop. I know Monica Richards you dey craze. If you don't know me, Richard, me I describe my own. I tell no you Richards. Idiots. Yeah. When I view mon papa your banale. You don't see don smart. Agbon for pressure may walk am out. Another woman for dey am well. But pari oga also. Na no as women they still also. Na so he they also go yeah. That one say which kind person? He go also go yeah. Na so they also that day. Also la. If I like people will go that party. At the end of the day, we no still know say when sister lipstick shifts, come hang for you. Lipstick shift, Sabina lipstick. At the end, Yoko say the man they do one. He want come talk. You don't know be Ruth. Ruth na the recent wife woman we put those smart for your house right now. Me and you they talk. Those smart. Wait, talk say where did they talk that day? The smart don't marry now. Now married woman. Now Ruth na fiya can yomulawa. After about countless single men we don't give am baby. Ona imu don't smart. Ona mulawa. Ah, go. If family come they follow affair, may no carry don't smart. Because of that one, now when this case come out, on a way, yeah, when baby, yeah, wow, on my way, they have the body, idiot. I bet my lovely sister, don't mind them, they are so annoying. So, where are they just now? Oh my God! Are they for where they fight? Eh? You people are bringing shame. You come on for here. You where they talk now. You now go via Mimi. Come on for here. When you they bring shame, come your rubbish there. Come on for here. You don't know where matter they go, matter they come here, one come rubbish idiot. No mama, monsieur, muje jouer be. Okay. So my people, fighting is bad, especially quarrel for social media. Stop. If you not see body for grant, you don't need to fight. What do you want fight for? When since we on their social media, we know each other address. They post some people address that day also. Take the address, take it to lawyer. It's not the same situation now day. What did the fight can settle today now? Rubbish. Don't smart even fucking friend wife for Italy. No mind now, do have a big photo. Kiwa go wa worry ya. No ya the bo. Ure we were don't smart. Iwa boki afia kunwe. Rutu ni be mukiana. Kia ka gboni wa right from time. Oh ya we kia nyawe. Ahwena mwe ruti ye balala. Kia pa vun because I no na ro yo kan kia. Oh yo kan no eti foke etin va wo wokpa. Agbe why ever na bo make na mueri ya. Ama etia bo no anya rutu. Umani no mu weri ya. Many no see where the yeke we bui wa. Ana miege ikbia no mari jeta o we pada begi. Wa gbe wa eva don smarty no ma smart don dull. Very dull boy. Don smarty keke be rutu na fia ye kan o wa eva o wa tu we idiot. Ye be lazy people. I know they do saga. But if you want too much, to say I be fool. Okay? Okay. So, I don't know about see. Good. I bet my lovely people, my adore people. This social media, more than not they fight for grand. It no nice. If you want fight for grand, not be inside boss. Because inside boss, na bad name una dey use and give person. If you want fight for ground, make appointment like Yoruba people did. Make appointment like Yoruba people did. Mona go like that lady that day. We say me the other one come train station, the other one not come. Make appointment, make person knows. Okay, now the last one we want settle on, na be this one. Not be inside boss. They fight. If the thing be pass like this, say 12 on a hand, na really hand, not be mat. Me I feel they know people with too much mouth. Amasete mi no yet by a vue ba o mu yo to. Ah, Jesus. Hey. Ha. Eh? I go beat you. If I meet you, I go beat you. For you to see that person at all and tell yourself, say, I want fight. You must make sure you German or Saju one time. Eh? You not feel vue ba. I want we are not get who you tell my share, tell your share. What kind of time? After so much talk on social media, after someone you declare you demand, I do you there, I do you that. Not a single not a single boom. Make this one eye be like this. Make that one nose mouth be like this. Nothing. But they will come back again now. And the one where come pay me pass for each side. They say that they do the fighting. Instead of me two of the face, they say maybe they fight too. They say one come, they say, now Monica go fight where. The day we see Monica, now here go fight where. Yeah, they use some more power for you now. This power, now small one they use for you. The day we will see Monica, now go use the real power. On want talk boua. Rien ni social media. E deme me to boua. Cause why my boy, why my way? Egbeme wana morion, e monia kanfo, e moni yo wo, e moni ni keke. Egbeme wana morion, re ogwa goma. Hi, Jesus. See you see person wo na dey do katakata for. Una no fit wound each other. Na to come. Wait, video they come. We no ma see nonsense video. We want to see action. Which kind video? No blood for anywhere. I want to see video. We have video ya we na one more pa jebe na. Nu no ke a jebe na. Nu na wa jebe na hu me. Nu ya debe no de pa. Ya me gbe boto ni ya ma gbe to fiele. Ya ma ti gbe pa ye gba o. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello, Mommy Monica.
Good evening. I did live video.
Mama, I talk to you at 1 minute. You talk for here.
Okay. Talk to me. No problem, darling. Okay. My God, please, commenters. Commenters. Sometimes, but I like the way commenter not the year again. Commenter na fire now. You bring nonsense come for commenters. They go give unto you. Now presenters come the zuona. Commenter they get sense die. You don't see commenter not they do fake love again. If you are fake, they abandon you for them. If you know they talk true, they fire you the day against you. If you rubbish, they slap your head. Commenter, you see this thing where happen. Someone have view from this angle. Not be the one that say, let video fair comment. Don't video ya. We might need the video bar. Person when you say you beat, they still there. That they feel talk. Nothing swell up for their body. If you dare something, no. I not tell now. Just imagine. Don't say that be big engine. Vera, you see this fuck up. Hey, my God. You see this fuck up, Vera. Hey, Vera, we want to do this fuck up now. Vera, be don't don't fair they tell us say some people na mat that day. Well, now me no then. There be my blood before. But nobody want list to say na mat that day. If that day so to me down make a wine. Unuyaje. Ekba no ton o ma dejinya eva o. Yen eva be se ya we nye. Amami no ri ekpa no ma fo. Oko no nyago pon de ani morion. We can reva e to reva no we are daje akale pa no why die told you kalo ni uma gori we no gora kan yo no we e bi no ju wa gbe na fo nia nye opon go wa we opon gun abi live video we na go dey talk to each other threaten each other Claude dey talk Claude not talk na Claude na go dey tear. Video must come out. I'll tell my husband. Oh God, my people. Chineke Watsagi. Hey. Seriously, my people, me ask you now. Una be no say these two people they enter bus. Me auntie say they get correct chauffeur where they can carry them have madam social media. Wa do one vegbuwa fake life. Imagine, boss they come and when enter bus. Sanera no kon dudu. Oh, gete. Ije. Oh my God. If I see you for ground, I'll beat you. The day Odoma versus Dog Smart. Dog Smart. Dog Smart side chick will be. You go too sweet. Oh my God. Odoma and Dog Smart side chick. Lolo of Austria. The day when they go meet, he go too sweet. Oh, he be nani he back bo. Odoma, I don't want you say, wait, make video come out. I want see action. I don't want see what you do for video. I want see for the person body. I not be fool. A person go talk say I beat person. Ama mio and the bomb honey. The other one will come and just now constantly talk say I beat her. Now so the time where they swear for each other, they lie. This one will come and don't swear for them. The time where the other one come and constantly say yeah jeju. Then when nonsense in the white German ya do with social media. End of your agenda. What ban? What repent? Fianye gbe abungbe. Ogbe no nyan. What repent? Don't just come and I do this, I do that. When you come bring the real one, come and notice that they are nyash. It's not good. What is that? They say, Mo, they wait. I beat them, Mo. Wait. I'm not there. The other one will still come. Just now we give Bena and work on your own room. Then we look already do ever since. We supposed to yes say the fact, but they not come live video. We can't no say I be saying me there. Not be say that fact they come live video. What rubbish is that? Rubbish. Hello. What we for? Hello.
Yeah, butter. Yeah, live video. Maria Garuwe boss in Iba because he man you only the Mare Papelona. Papelona Magaruwe boss in Iba also no.
Wegaro, boya sunu la tota mama, boya sunu
Mama wa be lovely Oh, can la live video na. Oh, can we live video can gbe pake kiru sera gele gbe mo aruwe ne de boss we Papelona because he me ya to ni mesin mi. Mare Papelona is Spain. Vera, Victoria Kaje, Vera, ona do mo wa Papelona. From Victoria to Papelona is not up to 20 minutes. So Vera me keke a woman ni mayagba la bossy to be frank. Hello.
I went no time wa da me yo.
Vera mate wene because my yaga aruwe di bossy.
Eh.
Oga reko. Then mama love. Ona owe vera okuye kwa. Evanye mama love ina ya gripe. Vera. Uwe bossy ya kekbi. Ebo se fi mature.
De no mudia je me mi say before we Vera. Me we Vera or a love. I Vera.
No ye paita bra. You no ye paita bra or look then the mama love with the children. Oga aruwe boss mane aruwe ne boss ima ya gbewe.
Okay, oh yeah, we tie there you me make it now understand.
For a connection.
Oh yeah, tie we no le boss. I me wa mo yo wa worst.
Ijaji woman no go work one ya.
Iyo ma no me o ma no dey o work with me gwa me jaji me o ma no gwa me gwa.
Ima jolly de mare paplona, ma ware paplona.
Iye me o ma no gwa me gwa.
Mama lobi o weme e ni gbe mama
Okay, boss unu weta mi ma. Okay, boy ya sunu
boss ma yaga aje ogwe boss. Ma ga arugwe boss. Then again you know ye paita bra. Ona reko. Oriko. Mama love. Ona ogwiye. Again no je paiti gugua. Of which your gugua. You understand me? When mama love in a pack baby TVA. Ona ya gripe sera. That is again no ye paita bra. Ona ya gripe uwe boss na iture ya na ture uwe boss mana lele ya ture the police na dore mana rekona uwe wa no guwe gwa you understand the mama love for one e sera ma wene
the Sarah Sarah
Deza vera ya mu ye picture keki vie no mu la dia social media o ma wete sera wa re phone on his own you understand the Esera wa re phone on his own. Iya wa gbina
Don isagen ira to egbe.
Egbe mama love. Egbe mama love isagen we wa ajiye mu mama oni a. Sometimes isagen re ladiawo. Then egbe Sarah na solo. Mama Vera love. Mama love ina ruwa. Sarah phone fun ara ni na so agbina. Nya ke ti police o mama wa ti police. Mami o wa ti police egbina ni nekere
so iyan ma ye ti gbepa Sarah na wa gbepa gbugbugbugbu no ke me ti gbepa
na no je party o wa lele woman igbina the woman respect egbe because if ye ga mama I say I mo gbina no matter
okay but why na ka ya daji wana ka ya daji
ona daji ona o wete sera gunye gun o ma wete sera ron e ko ogo bo mekele ba 4 hours o je no sunu na nya bi around 3 something o ya sunu around 3
do ma no do ari mu yen gbe na wo se do we mana iga video
mama megwa wo
dagi we na ma gwa ni gwa yo he understand.
Social media, I know one more. The man will be face to face here. That is now. If Vera back mama love if Vera no je contact.
Okay, iya mamu egbe gboto, iya mamu egbe gboto. Iya mamu egbe gboto a.
Iya mamu egbe when okoro agbina ni ade egbe buji. If you dey no ko na solo. Ona wa touch me, I was there. If you na solo, you know, Emma. The Vera do it make it manger. If we want more mama for real, do it at all. I was ashamed.
Weja you go bodoni because all of them will later do ta when you wake be no care when I me toy will be ya.
Ona ladia, ona gbe pancake. Whoever or get pancake igwao. Esera wajinye riwao Esera wajinye riwao.
So you must say be pekpa nunu woko or na oye ave titi sagi. Hey.
Mama we funny be. Mama, I know what touching me, boy. If Mama love. Yeah, wow. So you are fighting my mom. You are fighting. Let me touching me. Your mom,
Betty Asian kaya fiemi.
Asian ka fiemi. Asian ka fiemi. Where only me after worry happy. Asian ka fiemi. Where fiemi mo kia we have feel mami. Asian ka fiemi. Either them money Mama love. We no waje we live video. Eri o wa meje wo to keka o wa sika mo ma. They no ya sika gbi na e. They no to oye 20. Yeah, I sent the picture of it. Go get everywhere.
O mana mwe picture gere. Habi ya neki ya gogo.
What you don't go me. I was send the picture of it. You was send the go walai.
O moe. We moe. Oh, we mana carry ne to peleren we have a price.
Mama, picture ni ya agbi na o.
Okay.
Even we picture wo to keka.
I want what they call you. Oh.
3, 5.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello, come on.
Koje.
Mama, then, one video. Sorry, no be telling me I go. I not the email card, not this thing. In every what the card now you WhatsApp.
Yere WhatsApp. Yere WhatsApp.
Video, you want video, you are way for no ya no booking this day. Unye kwemi. All day mo mi lo di era so go info. A picture in ya ya women.
Are you for real? Medali where adime wana where yana you pa je na wa ga we mi po me gbe.
Oh my good of them or more.
Oh yeah, we adime na.
When I said the mukulo, oh it's really taking the car when you know I was okay, like go kata yeah, ekenia mo you na is enough when I beg nene mukulo ya send the ya ko no make na mi.
Oh yeah, say. Okay, Betty, wait till send that give mare ni mare when you pa je na when you po me gbe. Oh yeah, adime na. Okay, ma why you mama make bala ma gare ma before 10 to 8. Oh yeah, we send that it. Egbabi gbina ni ai mu yen gbina. Egbabi gbina ni ai mu yen gbina yen make na gbina o pa. Hey, Iminesun. Sabag Iminesun, Rame o. A director me we are your we are with Saloba, egg far one, egg far one, egg far one, a fana motin, egg Rame o. God forbid. Sabame la o, Jesu no genobio ba, Ajino Jorio. Ah! It be like say until we see picture, if we see picture Nana, we go come give winner. Who did they come this come fan from you Nick baby? Madam who is the winner? Who is the winner? Is it this one or this one? But it's Spain versus Spain. Papillona versus Papillona. Now is it the Vian say Jokpa for quickly a being a quickly? Maria differentiating now. Is it the small and the big? The small and the big. The small and the big. Bere poro yaya swa koline. Hello. Hello, my lady.
Good evening.
Good evening.
On your peers, or that telephone, here where of mana cocoa, I'm just not here you married, and today I'm a coffee, what Yama guapo, money up here.
Because you didn't like Bewebo. Yeah,
Police family, not Papa, no way people no run away. You may away love wow. Even in your home country, you are in Nigeria or in Spain, because the Pamplona yake. Oh, where? Oh, only if only if only a party have been a no care man or no play, not party. I don't understand it. No, no, one in the near Luna. A law, no way, Mumulo, all them way, Madame Brett.
Ena, kakabo.
Because Nana, outside the police back, I have reported, only know women who are caught. That's why, but Mama, very alone or setting in Madena, Ima, Suga, so they are going to get for disturbing in public. So I know I'm been a public.
Mi ato gba bi biele ka neri ogo me mi ato iya zeban.
Yes,
Ibi biele ka neri ogo me mi ato gbiyan. Mais dans le temps me wetin ya dekun no say emi no say ya se Monica. Ya dekun. Baba we hold your peace. I will fight your battle. Eya me veva. Eya mi obo mi ege ya agbelegbe. Eje we mede. Umamwe picture kaka. Umede mwe picture kaka. Umamwe picture. Don't me video with Facebook. I'm the video là
Madame Brett.
Omwe ebe video ni ka wusi no na atalo ni awo na atalo we yan agbe Monica. Bege ni ya na agbe na. O mani de ke ni ya na agbe na ni. E picture e ke ni ya na agbe na. Where say they?
But according to what the police say, all family police were
Oh, get it, man. Un ya to gbiyan ya, un ya to gbiyan. Un ya to gbiyan.
You cannot do that. You cannot do that. When you have been on the street,
Ye gbogba omo sayuru beba. O me ye get yan with community work. Ona ye bi ate. Okay, Monica no ro me. Maybe now, it's your ma bolo menu. I don't ever know it down the nonsense in here. Remy by Netherlands. Yes, cause he go at me. Rubbish. Fana motien. Eriokin ya royan. Fana motien. Igbese oseka. Monica kwa. Oye ye walk by yan wo ye leche. Ya mo no keri yan. Irema the tickets. No adze. The way mommy Monica. On doit bijouer. Donc bijouer parce que mon berak bijé non betin. Donc bijouer. Il est ma mommy moni carrément donc bijouer. My people, my lovely people. Make we dey wait for that lady. May go send all the things come. Una know say right from time. I don't fit do video where I teach una, where I tell una. This lady where they Germany so. Where they oh God, I get video by 8 for YouTube with Niger Watch, guy. Please don't forget. I will be back on this matter again. Okay? Yeah, it's our year of dedication. When we no see eh, man no dream wa obungbe. Uwa we ma time na do ya mo boy social media. Umeme, I ba ye boy ya we social media, but baff we social media. Ma baff e Bali Express all social media. Boni amu no gbo wa we man wa you no kan. Boni amu no gbo wa. Awe boni wie Monica people. Awe ni anaju wa unu. Uwa mu de wa ate boni joma. Me ni jema ni bun. We wa ate boni me. We agbe we gbo we. Igu wa yo seka. Bu wa ga me problem. Bu wa ya me gbo wa ria. Hey! Mama tota yiriosa owe hold your peace ya gbinigbina wenu ya yun baba isuwa wa ya dekun no se Monica so wa alele apo ama we na gbina be webo emi no lele hin mu dia ko mi anta mu waban however na don't ever try such thing with me for this Netherlands where I did, and those two people they move out of Netherlands. And their money I shop on. Yes. I shop on. And I go tell una the system. That's why if person they talk say, I'll beat you. Oh, hi me. Work baby. Eni na ujo. Hey, also banu. They say, I don't fight for I don't follow na day Ashawo Street. And then you use a bottle to tear my mat, yeah. I not get that character, but I know the character, the thing where they do. If you fight me, the Chris, come fight me because I be fighter. I not gonna use my hand do anyone. I swear beg beyond. I swear. And that's why, Monica, anytime anybody want fight you, tell me to come all. Oh, can you imagine? Very easy what we are going to use for them. And they say they want fight. Very small thing to use for them. Just imagine two women. They fight. They fight. Okay, more first see the video where they want bring come. More come Georgia. Eh? Good or bad? Who wrong? Why? Because somebody in a live video presenter, I know feel on my phone. Ha! God. This person. Ha! Change your character. Hey, God. Why so much insecurity? Mona come on for live video now. Person like me, home and abroad, airport, people they see me. Monica! Hey, Monica! I want to take picture. I never ever want to reject anybody picture. I don't care. Because even skeleton a cupboard. Why so much skeleton? Mona stop to they do live video. That because of person a presenter, person not confio your phone for where una day. And me, if I see any presenter for grand, go take your picture. If you see me, take me picture. Me mohan. Hey? People don't first see me at the video myself go reach grand. Any wrong? Hey? I should check my WhatsApp, okay? Hey? Because of live video, somebody cannot even be free. Where the person never see me. Oh. No, you only send where police for the talk wetin happen. We need the one we want send the raw one. Eh? No send that con now. My lady just now send that con. You understand? So I beg my people. If person talk, say he want beat you now, I'll come back for that video. But for these people, so because person a live video presenter, somebody no fit on his phone again for inside anytime when you see the person. If me see any presenter for ground, I must take you picture. I don't care if we play or we not play. I must take you picture. I must come show people life and direct who you be. You understand? I know if I see you for ground, where I know where maybe I see you for ground, say, we have a mime where we we have a mime where we problem me spirits, me ghost. You might be me who want me what me picture from head to me. Hey, you know nice. Una no dey fight. Una no need to show who get power pass. Make una go work. Una forget money. Ne gbe mi ke na ohu wa we ohe o ma no si ko wa. Una stop fight. Una go vex for live video. So that vex go still do una body for ground. What did you? My darling, no mind now. No mind now. Let her. You want constantly know where I come the bad things where they don't know. Well, what's what making? And we no need really ta. Wa mi obon wa na tamamesha. Wa tamame ye de the trap because ye mume. And we no need really ta. And we na ken degbe. No, I don't need that. I don't want. I don't need that. You understand? No matter to me. It's not nice, my people. So because person na live video presenter, person no fit your phone if na so it happen. Person no fit your phone. If the person really take picture, what did that one come in? And again, you see person won't follow you fight. Don't follow the person fight. No, but we make enough no money. Don't follow the person fight. Hello.
He said the boy next.
Okay, okay. When I know my that one, you want to know where I come the buy something you. You want me I talk say no be alone. No, you. Oh yes, now you awa. Awa the same thing ye be no. No, I don't need that. Now the same thing. Now that one will be one same picture. I don't need to play their video. I don't need them. Their explanation don't make sense. Child, the fight just shocked me. I swear. You know. Please hide the person number. Oh, as I the whole line the show. Okay. So my lovely people, I see you all 8 o'clock by Niger Wash. Let me go take my break, able to freshen up, eat, and go. I beg. Would be that my person just now? The person and my person, exactly. Thank you so much. My person way right and just now. Say Monica. Mo no they do that one. Anything we na see say that one talk. Either you deal with her by yourself on that side, or you throw me. No bring and come for me. Honey is not part of human being. Oh. You hear? So please, so that if you not see she they change, you just know say okay now so Monica really talk na anima. She can just come and just now start to the talk with you know they exist, you know. They are born liars. They lie so much. They lie, you understand? So I don't deal on that anymore. I don't even want to know. I don't want to hear. I don't want to care. It's none of my business. All I know that when you don't divorce woman, you're not supposed to be looking Ikebezu. But if you still they look my Ikebezu, I be say you want me as Zuzu, you and me are not the Zuzu roti toto.
Hello, my daughter.
Hello, mommy.
Hello, my daughter.
Good evening, ma.
Which time would be the best time? I want to talk to you. This girl, I love you. I want to talk to you. I know you have many advisors. With the love of God I have for you, the Bible says when you have many enemies, when they're around you, you're supposed to guide their life. One. Another one, the Bible says when the enemy is too much. I know you are not the speaker. You could even with the speaker. Are you hearing me?
I'm hearing you. They no bring. Okay, let me just finish. I will get back. Let me finish my life. Yeah. Now YouTube. But I will share the link here. Let me start going now so that I go freshen up. Thank you so much, my lovely people. I love you all so much. And I see you all later. Their own won't be long. I think it's just 1 hour. After their own, I'll come. Now, weekend, if you never sleep, join us. If you don't sleep, go. No come here. Come they talk. Say, no, not they sleep. I won't be small picking. If I want to sleep, I'll go sleep. If I don't want to sleep, I day here. Who enjoy or me no sabi make map. No me wala. People don't couple it for me tire. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you all so much, my lovely people. Bye-bye. Bye.